What's up everyone? Today we're gonna make some vegan, gluten-free, zero waste Lunchables. This one goes out to all the Lunchable fans out there. If you used to love eating Lunchables as a kid, but now that you're an adult, you feel like you can't eat them, here's how to make a zero waste, vegan and gluten-free Lunchable. I got this pink reusable bento box on Amazon. All you need is 4 ingredients: gluten-free crackers, vegan cheddar cheese, a plant-based meat, and a dairy-free treat. Add your crackers. I did 2 crackers for every piece of vegan cheese. I just used 1 slice of vegan cheese and folded it in half twice to get 4 slices. You can use whatever plant-based meat alternative you want, but I decided to use this mushroom jerky because it's delicious. For the dessert, I chose a dairy-free treat. My vegan gluten-free Lunchables. We don't need that. And look at her. I love Lunchables. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Take 2 crackers. We're gonna take 1 piece of cheese. We got our cheese and cracker. We got our jerky. Made from mushrooms. And we've got our dessert. Dairy-free peanut butter cup. Duh. Subscribe if you want more plant-based food recipes and low-waste tips. And until next time, stay stylishly sustainable.